him about it. And then she actually called me and confessed that she had taken my t-shirt without my knowledge.
Wait, so it's this thing of leaving clothes with exes.
Somizi and the Naked DJ serving you relationship advice on Ask a Man. The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
It's 22 minutes after 10 o'clock. The gents are in studio. I'm excited for all of us to be back, including you, Anonymous. I just want to check in on the gents, if they allow me to, before we speak to Anonymous, find out how the weekend that was, how the feeling was, the experience was, and getting back to Joburg and still feeling like we're in Durban physically. Let me start with Somizi.
Yes, baby.
Hi.
To be honest, I'm still sleepy.
Yeah.
Like I haven't fully recovered. I'm on 80%. But I have no regrets. No regrets.
Well done.
Kuso, can I ask something? Was it the first time you wore a black dress?
First time I wore a black dress.
No.
First time.
Because I saw a lot of comments saying, first time
First
seeing
time.
Kuso. It suits you.
Thank you. And to you, Somizi, thank you
Hallelujah.
for the beautiful flowers.
You're welcome.
Thank you for being so incredible and taking me out of my box.
Right?
Really.
And put you in a box.
And
because
you
that dress
literally
was a
put
box.
me in a box.
Yeah, she looked
Yeah.
absolutely.
How, Naked, what was wrong with your outfit?
beautiful.
Was you looked like
look so good.
an African rich. You look rich.
Yes.
You looked. Emphasis on looked.
Oh, thank you, guys. Yeah.
What was wrong with that?
Who said there was anything wrong
You
with
said it was small.
No, but Somizi, I told you that I always had a backup plan.
Yeah.
Oh, that
Yeah.
was a backup plan.
No, yeah, it was a plan. I think I had 4 or 5 backup plans. Even I brought all the outfits to the
That
hotel.
sounded wrong.
Yeah. Also.
No,
for
no,
five
not
backup.
relationship
To the whole
picking.
family.
4-5 backup.
Oh, okay. So this was the one that I think given, and I had to video call Kaylee, and they were like, "Okay, go with this one."
It
Beautiful.
worked.
Yeah.
It worked.
Thank you,
Works.
guys.
Look very
yeah, and everybody else that
Oof.
came through, and they listened to all the tips that Somizi and I gave
Well
last
done,
time.
Yeah.
So you guys looked absolutely, amazing on the black carpet.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for making Metro FM what it is.
No
Well-
challenges that we saw on the black carpet as
Nothing.
well. It was
The-
clean.
The only person who did not listen to us is Anonymous.
Anonymous, is that true? Eh,
No, it's not.
eh. How are you, Anonymous?
I'm good. And how are you guys?
Oh, we're great. We're just a bit worried now because you have something that you'd like advice on, right?
Yes.
Okay, the gents have got you, including everyone listening right now. Anonymous, I'm going to read you the house rules. Firstly, respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
I agree.
All right, we're listening.
Okay, my story goes like this. I'm 39 years old, man. And my partner is 40, late 40.
Late 40s.
So now it's been 2 years since we've been together, from 2023.
It's been 2 years since you've
We've been together.
sexually.
No, in a relationship.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so it's been 2 years. So my problem is that I don't know if I can rock this English or it's gonna rock me. But my problem is that inkonzo from inkonzo ayingeni baba.
Inkonzo yenzani?
Ayingeni.
Oh, okay. They haven't been having sex
Okay.
Yes.
In the 2 years.
in the 2 years.
In the 2 years, I've tried. Like I'm always the one initiating. And
Oh, okay.
yes, I tried talking, but it's not working, and it's exhausting. It's like he can say, "I don't want to."
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
When you ask for it.
Yes,
And he says, I don't want to.
I don't want to. And then, like, maybe I become certain, and then he say, "Okay, come." Then it's not nice like that. It's like
Okay.
I'm putting a gunpoint.
Is this a gay relationship?
No,
Oh, straight.
I'm a woman.
Oh,
Oh, you are a woman.
I am a woman.
okay.
Okay. Apologies because do you know what?
My voice is deep, I know.
Okay, no, yes, like my mother's deep. Oh, my mother's deep was voice. My mother's voice was also deep. Khupedi's voice.
Yes, I'm used to Khupedi, so I knew
Yes.
this was a woman.
So even if Khupedi spoke on the phone, we would think Buti's pure. So apologies for that. So okay, give me an example. Bomcela uthini? Asenze.
Ma'am, like I would say, maybe Nyagodola or something.
But come on, what is that?
I'm making something like
Unamanga chovi.
we even have a 4-year-old son.
Oh,
How?
You've been together for 2
2
years, you have a 4-year-old.
That's how great the
Yes.
sex is.
Not 4 years, no. I mean 4 months.
4 months.
4 months, sorry.
Focus,
Yeah.
4 months.
Back initially
no.
mates when.
So,
4 months, baby.
so when did he stop giving you, the D?
No, like he's not stopping. But the thing is, when it's happening, I must be the one.
To initiate.
Yes.
That's not nice.
I've tried talking, like saying when you don't want, like he does do it, but it takes like an effort.
That's not nice. Have you spoken to him about it, with how it makes you feel?
I tried telling him, I mean, I like this, like I want to put Mina Mangtuna in my irons, and then when he does one, then I do. So because Mina Mangtuna are full, so when it's so is it okay? It's not okay. It's exhausting to me over every time mailing it to others.
Have you ever found out that maybe he's getting it somewhere?
Yeah, assumes.
I mean, you
I
just
tried
gave
to
birth.
think, not to think that.
Yeah, actually, Kutz, I wanted to ask that after giving birth, blah blah blah, then you went back to the gynae for checkups, and everything is okay. Ne? They said you guys can go ahead with it.
Yes, the thing is, before we had 4 months, we went to the gynae, then they said he has a low sperm count.
Low sex drive or low sperm count?
He has a low
Low
sperm.
sperm count, like
I mean, how much more sperms do you need when you have a
That's
baby?
why I was relaxed, because I do have kids now. It's my third child now.
Okay.
Yes. So because then about that, but when I don't know if you understand me. When he does it right.
He does
But
what?
he does it right. So, Mizi, let me ask you something. Low sperm count, low libido. Is that how it goes?
Yeah, it's a bad combination.
Okay.
When we come back, I want to ask about.
Yeah,
it
we
could
come
be,
back, huh?
Gomkokotlo.
Oh.
Yeah. It could be we ignoring a condition. There's some health issues here
From this guy.
from this guy. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Gogo, we're coming back. Anonymous, please don't go anywhere. Go into the news headlines now.
Okay.
Thank you.
SABC News, independent and impartial.
Headlines at 10:30. The Boksburg Magistrates Court east of Johannesburg has granted suspended Ekurhuleni Metro Police Deputy Chief Julius Mkhwanazi and City Manager Kagiso Lerutla bail of 30,000 rand each. And over 1,000 members of Mine Workers Union NUM have embarked on strike action at Impala Platinum Shaft number 1 in Rustenburg in the northwest. Details at 11.
SABC News, independent and impartial. We stay connected no matter where you are or where we are. Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
31 minutes after 10 o'clock. So, Mizi, do you mind just going into that question you want to ask her? And then I'll give us all an update or summary.
Siswam,
Yeah.
you said it's 51.
No, 47.
Ngaki?
47.
Okay.
47.
So, I'm saying you said low sperm count, low libido. Those could be signs of something to do with health. Yeah.
Okay.
Is it diabetic?
No.
Yini?
Diabetic.
Okay.
Okay. What other health things does he have?
Not that I know of. The thing is, I think when he's drunk, like, yeah, you find like maybe he struggles
Oh,
to
that
pee.
baby.
But I don't know if he's all right. Maybe he's hiding it. I don't know. But when he's drunk, I can see that he struggles to pee.
He started to what?
He struggles to pee.
Oh, he struggles to pee. Oh,
The-
prostate.
I notice only when he's drunk.
I honestly think there's some health issues here that maybe he's not sharing with you.
Okay.
You need to have that conversation so that he's also free to
Because we used to listen to Ask a Man together, and he would laugh. I would say, I'm going to call them and ask them, why are you doing this? Then it's like, he's laughing. Like, it's not a big deal to him.
So, Mizi, I'm actually disappointed that you only mentioned one symptom. You know that low sex drive from men sometimes can also be finances. Why didn't you ask that? Because a lot of us, when we go from having a little bit of money to no money at all, and you know,
Is that his situation?
no, boozer. I'm sure you
That's
want
why
to
Ulana
find out
now
all
was-
the symptoms.
Aren't you a man?
Yeah, but how? It's boozer wena ngisho.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anonymous, how's his finances going? Is he working?
Yes, he is.
So he's never had issues here. But that's out. Gadlang. All right. So how can we help you? I want to advise you. This is good.
I want to know that, am I doing wrong? Like, I'm always learning. When I want it to be like the way I want it, the way I enjoy, I need to initiate first. I have to show him what I want. I must, like, every time I'm doing that. Even if before I was pregnant, I was even worse because sometimes I go out and ask for something, maybe like trying to watch porn together.
Okay.
Watch yo.
Yeah.
Yes, because I'm trying like ways to make
Yes.
him
To
interested in
enhance.
bed.
To enhance.
So which ones do you search?
Man,
What's the search history?
Please.
What's there?
What do you search when you watch?
I'm searching videos. You see, short videos.
for short
For short
videos?
Yeah.
Not short
Oh.
people.
Oh,
videos.
short videos. Oh.
Yeah.
I'll
I
find
don't, I
that.
don't watch it for long. Maybe if only if I show him that he was like, no, like close that thing, come, then
No,
we do what I want.
that's nice. Anonymous, your sex drive is high, right?
Yes,
Very high.
very, very.
If it was for you, how many times do you want it a week? Every day, no?
A week,
Yeah.
once a
In
Once a week.
once a day.
once a day.
In a week.
Chill,
Yes.
yes. Once a day. So 7
Yes.
days a week.
Okay.
That's nice.
Anonymous. So you do know you're very fertile right now, no?
Yes, I know.
Have you spoken to him about that? Uguti, okay, Baba Sekaya, listen. What happens if he's afraid that you of impregnating you again?
No,
can
no.
happen.
I'm on like I made a lifetime birth control.
Okay, so lifetime birth control. Okay, so that's out.
Also, valile.
Yeah.
Yebo,
good.
yebo, baba.
And then one last thing. How Atiyabo Baba Gusomis.
How bad?
And then was he in the room with you when you gave birth? Because I saw something on a documentary
No, he
a
was
long
with
time
me,
ago.
but not when I gave birth because he was supposed to go to work, and I was doing. I got my baby with Caesar this time because he was not telling. But I didn't have any complications other than him not telling.
Okay,
the
but
baby.
wait, hold on. But he wasn't in the room when.
No, he wasn't because
Okay.
he had to go by the time I went into labor.
Yeah, no, I'm asking this because I saw in a documentary a long time ago that a lot of men that experience the childbirth and see, somehow there's some sort of trauma
Trauma,
after, and then
yes.
they don't want to engage in sexual
But that's 4
activities
months
with their
ago.
women.
Do your maths. I hate people who don't do maths. That was 4 months ago when she gave birth. 5 months ago when
Yes,
she gave birth.
that's why I had to
right?
ask if he was in the room
The
and he saw
challenges
something.
happened before this. They've been going on before they gave birth.
Before, it was
Before.
a long time.
Naked
Before.
mathematics.
Ah, then
oh,
umite
Like,
kanjani
I
kanti?
always wanted,
How-
like, I always
They-
told him that I like it, and he was like, no problem, if you like, you tell me. But now it's exhausting me because I thought maybe he's gonna meet me halfway because he knows
Yes.
how am I.
How is he as a lover besides the sex part? Is he a nice person?
Very nice.
That's nice. Anonymous, you've got something here, but yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's help
Okay.
her. Let's help her.
You know, you mentioned something about drinking as well.
Mm.
Anonymous, is he fit? Like, does he gym?
No, he's not gym, but he used every day he works to go. He walk a long distance.
Okay,
He
and
go
then
to
does he
work.
smoke?
No,
Because sometimes ukubhema ugwayi
Go affect
he's not
why.
smoking.
affect
I'm the one who's smoking.
Or you the smoker?
Yes, he's a
Ah.
drinker, not a smoker.
Okay. All right.
No,
I love
I
Anonymous's
just
voice.
smoke.
Okay, Stano-san. Let's go. Naked, ready,
ready.
Steady.
go.
Mm.
I'm gonna give you options. Everything that I'm saying, it's not what it is. It's a possibility. I
Okay.
don't want you to think it's one. He could be just asexual.
Meaning?
Do you know what asexual is?
Mm-mm.
It's part of the group of sexualities. You know, your homosexual,
Okay.
bisexual, heterosexual, pansexual. Then there's asexual. Asexual is somebody who's really completely not into sex. Their relationship is not based on sex. It's just the attraction of that human being, and that's it. Sex is not a priority to them. If not at all, if they could, they would not have sex at all. And a lot of people might not even know that they are asexual. You know. Two, he could be facing some health conditions that it's either he knows about or he doesn't know about, right? Three, maybe he's not completely straight.
Aye, wena.
I said options. He's not completely straight.
Why are you laughing, Anonymous?
No, the thing is,
Was-
I told him that,
You what?
that maybe I did suggest it one day. I said maybe you are not straight as you
You see?
seem to
And what
be.
did he say?
Yes.
How?
He said,
He said yes.
Yes, I'm saying like I told him that,
and
but
then
he just laughed at me.
he just laughed. Let me tell you, there was an incident of a couple that is married, right, for a long time, and then they started enhancing their sex life, right? Are you listening, Anonymous?
Yes.
They started enhancing by having threesomes and stuff. So most of the time, all the threesomes all along, it's been with women. You know, they would bring an extra woman and but the wife was like, but why are you insisting on threesomes if I can see you losing your erection?
Yeah.
And then the wife one day brought a guy.
Mm.
Gum, gum, gum.
Zoop.
Attention.
Bah. Yes.
Attention.
Attention.
Yeah,
Yes.
man.
And then that's when they discovered Gucci, he's bisexual.
Oh.
You know? So, and it's an uncomfortable conversation, but it is a reality. Yeah, but Anonymous. So that's one of the options. I'm not saying he is. I gave you three. And I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, don't think this guy is cheating. I don't think this guy is doing it elsewhere. Sex is not a priority to him. There are people who sex umsebenzi. And life is not fair. Most of the time, the people that are lazy are the ones